Understanding Market Trends, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of business English with a focus on the phrase, market trend. This concept is crucial in business and economics, but it's also widely used in everyday language. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what a market trend is, but also how to use this term in your conversations. A market trend refers to the general direction in which a market or the prices of a particular product or service are moving. These trends can be upward, downward, or sideways. Understanding market trends is essential for investors, business owners, and consumers alike, as it helps in making informed decisions. Key points. Direction. Trends show movement in markets. Types of trends: upward, rising, downward, falling, and sideways, stable. Let's look at some examples to clarify this concept. 1. Technology boom. The rapid increase in technology stocks over the past few years is an example of an upward trend. 2. Real estate slump. A continuous drop in real estate prices indicates a downward trend. 3. Stable commodity prices. When the price of a commodity like oil remains relatively stable over a period, it's a sideways trend. Key points. Real-world examples help in understanding the application of market trends. How can you use this term in your daily English? Here are some examples. The market trend in electric vehicles shows a strong upward trajectory. As a small business owner, I need to keep an eye on market trends to adjust my strategy. Key points. Apply the term in various sentences to improve your conversational English. That's all about market trends. We hope this video has helped you grasp this essential business term. Remember, understanding such phrases not only enhances your English but also your knowledge of global markets. Stay tuned for more videos, and keep learning.